Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you a Podio tutorial for beginners, Guide to Project Management. So first is, sign in or log into your account on podio.com. After you sign in or log in, you will be directed here on your projects. So we want to manage this. As you can see, I have these examples. If you're done with this, you can simply click and drag it into in progress. Now to add a project, click on add project. Let's input how to easy. How to. Now here you can add a deadline. Let's say on Tuesday. Let's not put date. Let's not put a time, just a date. Here you can add a responsible. You can also input the status if it's entered, in progress, or already completed. You can choose and drag and drop a files here. And you can also add a tag. Now to save it, click on Save Project. After that, you can see here that you can add a comment. Click on Close Item, and as you can see, it is here now. Now when you are doing this thing or it is in progress, simply drag it here. And when it's done, drag it on complete. And that's basically it.